Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2019 Ford Expedition XLT. Coming in this nice bronze coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing. You got a backup camera with a nice little roof spoiler. You do get a tow hitch under there as well. With roof rails, we do get a black platformed gripped running board with blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last and middle row from here. You have storage cubbies, 12-volt USBs. You can collapse your little headrest from right there as well. Storage, cup holders, lights, hooks, and doodads. This does go up here as well. And it's flat for you. And the same thing on this side, storage and outlets. You do get your storage underneath as well, which is pretty handy. And we're just going to bring that right back up, and it will come up automatically. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 8 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with leathering on the door. You got some steps to get to your back row, which does get plenty of leg room with 3 additional seats right there. We do get carpeted interior. You got your media, volume, clock, seek, USBs, climate controls, 110 volt with cup holders just in front of you. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors with memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You can collapse your headrest from here, liftgate, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 148,564 kilometers. We do get a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel with our volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute voice and phone, cruise control, and toggle free screen. Looking here, we do have My View, which has digital speedometer, your trip 1, all that jazz, trip and fuel, vehicle info, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, speeds, 4-wheel drive, drive modes, storage, cup holders, more storage here with a wireless charging pad and USBs. And it does close. You got your center console here with even more storage, and you do get some storage here as well as here with dual climate, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt. You got storage above and below, storage right here. And looking here, we have our hill, traction, hazards, auto stop, auto start, volume 2 and all that jazz. Slipping into reverse, we do get our backup camera. You have your audio, heated steering wheel right there as well. Here's your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your climate controls as well, phone, and any apps you may download show up right here with your settings that have 911 assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and ambient lighting where you can change to those fun colors. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA01560A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.